Oh, we're at Niagara Falls.
We made it to Niagara Falls. Always one of those places, you know, that you got to see, right?
And we found parking. The parking lot's closed, but the gate was open, so we came in and parked.
Yeah, it seemed better to be, parking seemed pretty tight there. Even though it's September, there's a lot of people there.
There is. We managed to weasel our way right down what I'm thinking was probably the main touristy street of Niagara Falls.
Yeah, right by the falls. Anyways, we're going to take our bikes and go back there and check it out. Decide other things we might want to see or do. And yeah, what I can't imagine is this huge parking lot we're in that's empty and closed. Imagine if it were full.
If it were also full, yeah.
Might not want to be here then.
And it's nice today. It's like 23 degrees.
I'm glad we're here right now because the crowds could be outrageous. I think there's still going to be crowds, but
yeah,
not as bad. It'll be good. Let's go. All this mist is going to become rain real soon, so I've got my umbrella and we're going to have to switch cameras up here because when we drove through it, it was like we drove right into a rainstorm.
We're about to enter the mist zone. Depends on which way the wind gusts, but we're ready.
I'm ready. I got an umbrella and this getup.
Oh yeah, you're high fashion here.
Let's go. We're going to be wet.
But happy. Oh my God, we're happy.
Beautiful place. I mean, it's windy and the water is rushing, but it's really nice and I think it's dramatic. So I've heard some folks say it wasn't all that dramatic. It is. It's beautiful and the way the wind is pushing the mist into me, I mean, it was really a cool experience. If you can, you should come.
Watch your head and stuff, okay guys?
Watch your head, you say?
Well,
really?
I have to say it, so.
Thanks.
Across from the Rainbow Bridge, which joins Canada and the United States. Across the Rainbow Bridge lies Niagara Falls, New York, and the American Falls. Of course, the view to the east is of Niagara Falls, Ontario, and the surrounding region.
You want me to stick this in here?
No, I'm going to use that. I don't want to look stupid. Put this in the bag.
You don't want to look stupid.
Today we decided to do something, we'll see, maybe fun. Corey thinks it's fun. But we're between Niagara Falls and Niagara on the Lake, and we're going to do a Whirlpool jet tour.
Jet boat tour.
Yeah. So remember those jet boats we showed you back in Fort St. John? That was like the World Championships, and they're running up and down the river.
These are not like that. I don't know how many people they hold, but
A lot.
30 maybe.
They hold a lot of people, but it'll be fun still. And we're going to go through rapids and things like that. And apparently we're getting wet.
And we were only going to go if we could take you with us, and apparently we can. So
We're getting the cameras ready.
Stay
Let's
tuned.
go.
you're like high fashion. Oh, I got to do a bow yet.
Like on purpose? On purpose, yeah.
Where are you from? British Columbia.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah.
Right on.
No shit at all.
That's crazy.
All right, here we go. This is apparently a very, very, very wet trip.
First 3 rows are bumpier and wetter, but we're taking it for the team.
Hang on, everyone.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the
wanting to go for a drink?
Question is, how bad do I need a drink? Because I feel a little squishy and somewhat uncomfortable in walking.
Oh, you're pulling it off though. You don't look stiff at all.
Our jet boat tour through the rapids is over, and well, they were right. I'm drenched, literally drenched.
We did a 4 and a category 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the category 6 we went up to, but we didn't actually go through it. I think we could have though.
The boats were really super safe. We never ever felt, not even once, like
No, they were very stable.
totally they could handle it.
Yeah.
And they told us we were going to get wet, and we got absolutely drenched. Like it was a wall of water.
They didn't lie. it was fun though.
But
A
it
lot of
was a
fun.
good ride. About $70 a person.
Yeah, just under that.
Yeah, we had a coupon too. You can get coupons. And it was really fun. Well worth the ride,
Yeah.
and we would recommend that you go do it. I mean, it was a little hard to find, so
Yeah.
follow Google, put in the address, take a picture of it, because there wasn't a lot of signage.
No, but it seemed fairly busy here, even though nobody really, it wasn't intuitive to get here.
Clearly everybody else found their
Yeah.
way. You know what? They have this great, like, sort of big
Rooftop bar thing.
deck thing
Yeah.
on this boat out here in the river, so we're going to have some
Cheers.
drinks. Cheers!
Were you sitting?
I was sitting here. How can you tell?
That's bizarre. Sure. You look like you've been riding a horse or something.
It's because my butt is so wet. Everything is wet. Soaking wet. Every time I take a step, my shoe goes squish, squish.